Some homes feel comfortable, but this one feels inspiring.
Here's her coffee, honey.
I can get used to this.
An open kitchen built for creativity, connection, and unforgettable nights. A living room lifted by coffered ceilings and the warmth of a glowing fireplace. The main suite designed to relax and help you breathe a little deeper. Tucked above it all, a place where the rest of the family can unwind. If you want to make 210 Bristle Leaf Path in Kathleen yours, make sure to give my team a call.